Hi friends, good morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today I will be talking about 3 ways to make somebody instantly like you. You heard it right, friends. There are 3 ways to make somebody instantly like you. Do you want to know what are those things? What are those points which one must remember to make anybody instantly like you? What is that 3 things which one must understand and one must inculcate in life to move forward and make new friends every day? Okay. So what can be done for that, friends? Okay, so first of all I want to introduce myself. I am a software developer by profession and I'm becoming a YouTuber in part time. Okay, so coming straight to the point, the first thing is we must give a sincere and honest appreciation. That is very much important. If you don't sincerely appreciate a person from within, that energy will not go to that other person. This is very much important, friends. If you want to make anybody instantly like you, the first and foremost thing which one must do is appreciate them. Just clap for it. Whatever good deeds that your friend did, just clap for it. Give sincere and honest appreciation for the simple small things that your friend did for you. Okay, just give a sincere and very good appreciation, so that there is a heart to heart connection. Whenever you appreciate someone, let's suppose you have been appreciated by one of your leads in your company. How will you feel? You will feel good, right? You will feel better from your within. You will feel like how much better I'm feeling in my company. The same thing happens with the other person as well, right? You have to think from other person's point of view as well. Okay, so what can you do for that? Just try to give sincere and honest appreciation to other person, and you will feel that your friend gets connected with you. Okay, that friend may not be connected with other person in your company, but that friend will be very much closely connected with you because only you have appreciated that guy. Same thing applies with you as well as your friends as well. The second thing is we need to greet someone. We need to greet with enthusiasm. Whenever somebody comes at your place, whenever your friend comes with you in a party, or whenever any event is happening and somebody is invited at your place, just greet them. Okay, I am very much thankful that you came at my party. I just enjoying my day and I will help you to enjoy this party as well. Just greet with small things, and that small greetings will help that person to grow from within, and that greetings will make that connection, will make that bonding between your friend and you. Okay, so that greeting is very much important. And third and most important thing is give what become all in. That is very much important. You need to be unselfishly help people, unselfish and without any thoughtfulness. You must be unselfish while helping other people, because if you are selfish, if you are having some selfish motive, then the other person will catch you. Other person will think that he is having some selfish motive, that's why he is helping me. Otherwise, why that other person will help me? Okay, so be sincerely appreciate and just help person unselfishly. Okay, without giving a second thought that if I will get something or not. We should not think like that. If I will be getting or I will not be getting, we should be helping that other person, because that helping requires time and energy. That time and energy comes from your within. If you can give that time and energy to other person unselfishly, then the other person, your friend, will also be interested in you, and that's way we can create a mutual understanding between the two. So this is very much important to understand. To create a mutual connection, we need to be genuinely interested in the other person. And there is a last point which I wanted to tell you. Become genuinely interested in other person's thoughts, other person needs, other person wants and don't want. Okay, these are very much important. If you are not genuinely interested, then the other person will catch you that he is not interested. He is just showing off to make me a friend and take his selfish motive out from me. He will catch you like that only. Okay, so we should not do that. Rather, we should take genuine interest in other person's need, what that other person is needing with me, what that other person wants from his life, what that other person wants from his job. Okay, maybe he is in need of something that I can give him. Maybe she is in need of something that I can give her. This thing we need to think about her or him. Okay, we need to be genuinely concerned about that other person, why he or she is worried in his life, why he or she is facing difficulty in his company, why he or she is facing problems, and there is a huge distractions all around. So is that negativity hampering him or her? How can I be of any help to him or her? If you can think like that, then that energy will move out of you to that other person, and when he or she feels that energy from you, he or she will start getting connected with you. And when he or she starts getting connected with you, then you can make anybody instantly like you in seconds, friends. And this is the only way, because whenever you start going to other person, greeting them, then the other person will judge you within seconds. It will take nearly 6 to 7 seconds to judge anybody. Just think, you are judging other person, then others may judge you. There is a vice versa thing, right? So other person may judge you as you are judging other person. So what is that thing required so that they can create a good impression? You can create a good impression of yourself with others. First of all, take genuine interest in other person, greet other person, and take a positive impact. See what you can give to that guy, what you can give to that other person, which will be very much helpful and beneficial for that guy. Okay, and he can feel that thing, yes, he is genuinely interested in me, so I will also be helpful for him whenever he or she needs. So this is very much important, and I want all of you to inculcate these things in his life. Same thing applied with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam as well. He is a very great rocket scientist, but since he is a rocket scientist, he must not think about small workers, right? But he pays equal attention to his workers as well. He pays equal attention to all the small level category people, all the laborers, all workers, all middle-aged people, all middle class people, all they pay equal attention. They pay equal respect for all the small category people as well. For him, everybody was same. That's why he is an inspiration for all the students, all teachers, and all professional people. Why? Because for him there is no discrimination. For him, everybody is same with respect to caste, religion, creed, and whatever religion they might be, doesn't matter for him. So why can't we have a same thinking as him? We can also have a same thinking as APJ Abdul Kalam, right? We can also think like him, right? But why are we not thinking? Because we are very much deeply ingrained in our life that we don't think about others, what another person will think, what if I tell this thing to that other person, what he will think. Okay, so these things just we should think about other person. If you want to make anybody instantly like you in seconds, you have to think about other person. You have to think what other person wants and don't wants without any selfish motive. This is very much important, because human beings are very intelligent. They will catch you if you are selfish. So we should be interested genuinely in other person so that he or she makes instantly being liked and being attracted towards you. So I hope you all liked my video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel so that I can get motivated and I will make this type of videos. And this is one of the third chapter of how to win friends and influence people. So this is a very much important book, and I recommend each and every one of you to go through it once, because if you just go through this book, you will understand how deeply you can make good friends with understanding the psychology of people, because everything is about psychology, friends. If you understand the psychology of people, then and only then you can implement it in your life. Okay, so thank you, friends. I hope you all like it, and I will come up with a new video next time. Thank you.